Hey everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today in this video, I'm going to do two things. Number one, I'm going to plant a container full of Dianthus, I think which will be pretty nice and exciting. And number two, I'm going to do it is pruning of some plants which are going to be dormant in the upcoming winter season. So I think a lot of work to do. So without wasting any time, I think we should just let's get started with this video.
So at first what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant this container with a combination of different of same kind of flower, obviously, because I like something like that. I like that means what I should say, that similar kind of container, means everything is same of different colors maybe, or maybe same colors. So in this container today I'm going to plant Dianthus. So I'm going to show you one plant, and then I'm going to make it fast forward, and then I will move to the next project. So at first let me just keep all the plants down. So as you can see, this is a very soft soil mix. Just see this, the consistency of the soil. So what is it is means what is the content in it. So this is having one part of garden soil, one part of organic compost. I have used in this case cow dung compost. You can use any compost you are having, and the last part is half part of sand. So this will make this kind of porous soil. If you want, you can add a portion of coco peat as well, so that will also help in maintain moisture level, and also it will make the soil more porous. So now in this container what I'm going to do is I'm going to add something that is my organic mixture, which is totally optional. You can add it, it will give good results. So I'm going to tell you what is this. At first let me add it. So as per this container I am using 4 scoops. So what is this actually? So I have bought this from Amazon. This is something called organic growth booster. It is also organic. It is having humic acid, it is having fulvic acid, it is having poultry manure, and many other mixture of organic manures. So that thing I have taken one part of I have mixed neem oil cake, which will act as a fungicide, pesticide, and another one part is of wood ash. So in case of Dianthus, I can mix a good amount of wood ash later also in this soil mix, because Dianthus requires means alkaline soil, means it likes alkaline soil. It do not like acidic soil. So to make that soil alkaline in nature, we can add lime. You can use lime in this container, or you can use wood ash. Wood ash, if used in a certain amount, it can make the soil alkaline in nature. So that is a good thing, but for the timing I'm not adding anything extra. So I'm just going to mix it thoroughly throughout now. So now what you can do, means what I am going to do actually, now is the main time of planting. So I'm going to plant at first over here, I think. So just let me dig a hole. Let me check at first whether the hole is enough. Yes, I think it is too deep, so I want to just fill some of it. Then check again. I think it is okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out from this pot, this plant, which I have. You can see the root wall. So it is root bounded now in this small container or glass or whatever you say. I'm just going to press the down portion and just tap it. It will come out. It should come out like this. So next is I'm just going to keep it slightly above the soil surface, because I do not want it to have its stem rotten due to the moist soil. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it like this now. Let me show you at first. Let me do it and then I'm going to make it clear with you. What my goal is actually is to keep the plant level a little bit above the soil level. So what will happen, I will make a trench over here such that the water will be collected over here and it will not reach the stem of the plant, which will reduce the chance for the plant to have a root rot case. So it will obviously make the drainage system very good. That is the main reason we are doing this thing. If you want, you can do this normally also. So now I'm going to, in the same process, I'm going to plant all other plants. I hope you can see that I have already, this is the update. I have planted all the 5 plants. Now it is time to water it. I will water it at the end of this video. So let's move to the next project. So I think you can see that how much gangly and untidy it is looking over here. So I'm going to clean all of these plants. These are all sweet paley or jasmine mogra, or some jasmine plants are also there. There is one chili plant which I need to remove, I think, and other than that there is one Ramon creeper over there and some pride of India, and these are all some crepe jasmine. So I will not touch the ixora over there because that is still blooming, but rest all of these things need to go to the dormancy period for the winter over here. So I will just cut them to a certain level and I will now design this total area in a new style very soon. So for today I'm just going to, what I'm going to do is just I'm going to trim all of this. So let's get started. So this is what I actually came up with, and I didn't have any idea that it will take so long. It took more than 30 minutes because the branches were really tough, strong, and I have pruned them back hard. So what I have done, let me show you just for the timing. Here you can see I have just trimmed all the weak branches I have left with, and I'm left with only the hard branches, and all the dried leaves in these two containers especially. Um, in these two containers especially, you can see a lot of dried leaves, so they will fall in that container only, and they will insulate the soil for the winter during their dormancy period, because during this time of the year they do not need to grow, they need rest for at least 1 to 2 months, and in the spring they will come back strong. So I need to clean up all this thing, and that will be for the tomorrow, means for tomorrow's project. And this thing I have trimmed, you can see it is looking very nice, I think, because it is cleaned, as well as this one also. This will also come back strong next year, and I will get good amount of bloom from it. So I hope you understand what I am, means what I was trying to do, because these plants are of summer or rainy season, so they will not bloom in winter. They needed every plant, each and every plant, whatever you see in this area, or in my garden or any garden, I think there may be some exceptions, but maximum of the plants need a certain amount of rest or dormancy period. So these plants, if I do not prune them, they will continue to grow. They will waste their energy in their leaves instead of storing them. So during this winter, during this dormancy time, they will collect energy from the sun, from the leaves, whatever they are having left with. They will do the photosynthesis, and they will survive the winter. They will take a good amount of rest, and then when in the spring they will start to come back, means they will start to flush back with new growth. They will be much stronger, and I will get good amount of results from it. So this is the reason why we do pruning. So I hope you like this video, and I think I will do more videos like this. And another announcement in this particular video I want to make, that is, from this, means actually in my channel I was supposed to post 3 videos per week, but I actually do not am getting any time to shoot videos, and actually due to some problems of in my garden only, that is some mice, I'm not able to do gardening. Because wherever I plant something, even I have planted seeds, so many seeds, they were all destroyed by mouse and squirrels. So I have to deal with them at first, and then I have to do gardening. So means I can show you. You can see I have planted marigolds. These are the, means they were strong plants, means with a ton of growth and good plants, but they were eaten. So this kind of thing is happening with many of my plants, whatever I am planting. So I cannot make any videos. So I hope you can cope up with me, means you can understand me, the reason why I am not making videos. For this reason I have taken one decision, that is I will post 2 videos per week, one in English, one in Bengali. I will make a video throughout the week, means with a number of clips, and I will edit them, and then I will post it in the YouTube, in my Facebook page. Maybe I have not started yet the Facebook page. In my Instagram also, I will have opened an Instagram page, that is Happy Organic Gardening. You can just follow me there. If you want to message me, or you have something to ask me personally, you can direct message me in Instagram only. So you can follow me there, and I post very beautiful pictures of my garden in that Instagram page. So I hope you will, means if you wish, you can just follow me there, and if you have any other comments, you can just drop in the comment box in this video only. So hope you have liked this video, and I will hope you all means enjoyed watching and understand what I am trying to make you understand. So I hope you have liked this video. Just now let me water that container, and I will see you all in my next video. And this mess, whatever I am having over here from all these plants, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a compost out of it. And how I am making it, if you want to know, just let me know in the comment section below, because it is very easy. I'm just going to put them in a grow bag. I'm going to cover the grow bag with some nice potting mix, and I'm going to plant some plant over in that grow bag, or over that grow bag, or maybe whatever. So I'm just going to plant something in there, and by the time the plant's roots will reach these things, they will be decomposed. Not the branches, but at least the leaves will get decomposed, and it will give nourishment to the plants. So that is my goal. Let's see what happens. And I think it is looking much better than before, because it was gangly looking and kind of wild looking, and now it is pretty much clean. And I think if I put clean obviously I need to clean everything from here. If I keep a row of cinerarias over here, because cinerarias need morning sun, and this area gets a good amount of morning sun. So if I keep a line of cineraria pots over here, I think this area will look gorgeous. I need to move some of these plants as well. So here is a few rows, you can see.